students, how are you? I hope all are you good. Welcome back to another class. Today let me start English chapter number 9, a prayer for healing. From ancient time, people across the world belonging to different cultures and different religions have prayed to various objects of nature. और प्राचीन समय में लोग क्या करते थे, जो आदि मानव होते थे वो नेचर की पूजा करते थे, है ना। सन, मून, अर्थ और हवा, पानी, इन सब की. So the sun, moon, stars, earth, wind, water, bodies, plants and animals. This has becomes man has recognized their importance from the very beginning. The earth is our home, our only home, but we have not been good to it. Do we think of protecting it? Do we think of taking care of it? So read the poem. मतलब कहने का ये है कि हमें इन चीजों का ध्यान रखना चाहिए. जो हमारा नेचर है, हमारी प्रकृति है ना, हमारी पृथ्वी है, हरियाली है, इन सब चीजों का हमें ध्यान रखना बहुत जरूरी. So we join with the earth and with each other to bring new life to the land. The restore the waters to refresh the air, है ना. पानी को हमें रिस्टोर करके रखना चाहिए, हवा को हमें फ्रेश रखना चाहिए. We join with the earth and with each other to renew the forests. जंगलों को बचाना चाहिए, to care for the plants, to protect the creatures. We join with the earth and with each other to celebrate the seas, to rejoice the sunlight, to sing the song of the stars. We join with the earth and with each other to recreate the human community, to promote justice and peace, to remember our children. We join with the earth and with each other. We join together as many and diverse expressions, if one loving mystery for the healing of earth and the renewal of all life. ठीक है, इन चीजों की जब हम केयर करेंगे, ध्यान रखेंगे, तो ही हमारी लाइफ सेटल मतलब स्मूथ चल सकती है. तो इस पृथ्वी पर जितनी भी चीजें हैं, जो प्रकृति के द्वारा हमें दी गई चीजें हैं, उन सब का हमें अच्छे से ध्यान रखना चाहिए. So everyone, the chapter is in here. I hope you all are very well understood through chapter. We will meet to the next class. Thank you everyone.